Hey, in this video, we're building a health metrics screen with the Ionic Design Kit. If you're making a fitness or wellness app, this is a screen your users expect. Let's make it clean and useful. On the left, you'll see code snippets from the official Ionic docs. In the center, there's the layout we built using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, a phone emulator shows the live results as we code. You can find code snippets and step-by-step details on our site. And don't worry, pause the video whenever you need to take a closer look. If you're not familiar with the Ionic Design Kit, here's the quick overview. It's a collection of pre-built components based on the Ionic framework, things like buttons, cards, sliders, and charts. Designers can drag and drop these in Figma without building from scratch, and developers get a clean match to the actual Ionic code base. So no guessing, no rebuilding, just speed. The health metrics screen gives users a quick snapshot of their day, usually heart rate, step count, calories burned. If you want it to feel clean and visual, add stat cards, progress rings, maybe a small chart, something that's fast to scan and easy to understand, even on the go. The health metrics screen is simple, helpful, and quick to build using the Ionic Design Kit. It gives users what they care about most, their stats, right up front. And because you're working with real Ionic components, you're not wasting time reinventing UI. You design once, and your devs can build fast without second-guessing layout or structure. That's it for today. If you found this useful, hit that subscribe button. See you next time.